Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Hope y'all having a good day. I just want to touch on Junior Guzman case real quick. Yesterday, the 12 suspects had court. Um, Apparently, one of the suspects had the nerves to smirk at Junior's mom, where she shouted out "asesino," you know, meaning a killer. You know what I'm saying? The suspect definitely had no remorse and no respect, and he thinks it's a joke. But the joke is really on them. All these suspects pleaded not guilty. Meanwhile, they're all caught on surveillance. I don't think they fully understand that they've been caught on surveillance and you're pleading not guilty. So it looks like they'll take it to trial and they'll definitely be getting life. Only God knows what He has plans for these people. But the suspects that are arrested are responsible. You know, NYPD has gotten a lot of tips, and they one thing that they're really good at is catching criminals, especially these people. The Trinitarios. They all was requesting bail, and it was definitely denied. None of them is getting bail. Um, they all pleaded not guilty. Their next court day is October 25th, so they're gonna be sitting in there for a while. The jail, the Rikers Island jail that they in, three of them, they still have them, alone, away from the population, because we all know what would happen if they were to even end up in population. So it's crazy, and I was watching something where the district attorney and the chief of detectives, they were all having a press conference, and one of them was talking about that the young girl that was that is behind all this and also plays a big part in Junior's death. They're saying that the sex tape had nothing to do with Junior's killing. Um, that it was basically that he met up with a friend to give him $5, and then um, the Trinitarios, the ones that were driving in the car, happened to spot him and started chasing after him. So, they basically trying to switch up the story. And like I said, the media is really good at manipulating people and misleading people. I pay close attention to what they be saying, and I really don't be believing most of the things, because I also heard one of the ladies that were talking that works for the district attorney. She was stating how in her office they have a witness protection program where people that are willing to speak up are more than welcome to come, and they will be protected. So I'm guessing that the young girl is under witness protection, and Michael Reyes Sosa, which is another story. 1 minute they're saying that he's in DR detained, and then another minute they're saying that he's here in the United States, but we haven't seen anything at all. So I know Junior's mom was really upset yesterday. I know that she wants justice, and I know she is happy that, these people that killed her son are in jail, and she also did a press conference, asking the public for help and asking them to speak up, and she's also asking the media to speak up. She's a really smart lady, and my prayers always go out to her. I actually visited around where Junior lived, and I got to visit the memorial pictures that he had up, and I came across a lady that knows the young girl that's responsible for all of this, her parents, where she told me that she's actually a foster child. So she doesn't live with her actual family. She's actually, a foster child and always been a troubled child. So it's crazy, but I'm definitely gonna keep speaking up. Nothing is gonna stop me from speaking up and bringing awareness to what's going on. I really don't know about other channels, and I don't know how they work. Maybe it's for likes and subscribers, but me, I speak from the heart, and I make sure that I get my facts straight before I even put it out there. so you guys could get the right information. But like I said, don't believe everything you see in the news. Um, don't believe everything that's being said as far as with rumors with this this Michael Reyes Sosa kid and this young girl. They're both under witness protection. We're not gonna see them. I think that they'll probably be used to testify when the time comes, but for now, we're not gonna hear about them. It all started with a sex tape, and now they're trying to make it seem like it's something else, and then who knows, they might switch it into another story. So for now, let's keep praying for Junior, justice for Junior. Um, let's hope that these suspects remain in jail where they deserve to be. And, God got to handle them according to the mistakes and the sins that they have committed. You know what I mean? So I really appreciate you guys, subscribing and liking and definitely comment. You can always leave your comments below. I always respond. You guys can also share this video if you like. And just continue to pray. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated on everything else that I come across and I hear. And God bless you guys and have a wonderful day. This is Media and Hip Hop News. Peace.